2015 Chevy Traverse. Transmission drain and fill. First thing you're all gonna want to do is grab your wire brush and wire all the mud off of the drain plug. Ooh, that sun's bright coming through that window. Take your 11mm ratchet and get this here drain plug out. Now while that drains, we'll tell you why we're doing this. It's got some nasty shifting on 1, 2, 2, 3, especially while cold. We're gonna go ahead and throw a bottle of Lucas Stop Slip in it. No codes. But Carl, why don't you fix it right? Well, sometimes people are broke. Really help out that shifting until homeboy can come up with some serious cash. You know what I'm saying? She's a little brownish, and but we don't got any metal flakies. Smells good. The smell test is a classic, but any mechanic worth his weight knows the real test is in the taste test. Not too bad. Put our drain plug in. But you bring it down. You got a fill cap right down there on the transmission, and you pull it up. It's got a dipstick on this one. 4.2 quarts going down the hatch. And take it out for a test drive, shift through all the gears, double check it while it's hot, running in park on a level surface. Make sure she's full.